Alright, so I've started recording. Okay, so this was for homework. You guys should have the answers for me, but I don't just want the answers. I actually want us to go through it step by step. So with number 4, 332 divided by 3. Right, can the outside, so we look at what is outside and we're dividing it with what is inside. Can 3 go into 3?
Yes.
Yes. How many times?
Once.
Once. Alright, so let's put our rules here on the side. We've got D, M,
S, and B.
B,
R.
okay, the R comes right at the end. So what does the D stand for?
Divide.
Divide,
Multiply.
multiply,
Subtract. And bring down. And then remainder.
okay, subtract, bring
Down.
down,
And remainder.
and remainder. Okay, so for the first step we did divide. What's my next step? Multiply. What by what?
1, 3, 3.
So whatever is on top by the bottom, and we write it underneath where we were just working. So underneath that first 3. What's my next step?
Minus 3.
Minus. Thank you. Minus
0.
equals 0.
Bring down 3.
Bring down. That's my next step. Is 3.
Divided by 3.
So what's my next step?
What?
Wait, guys. Wait for the question. Okay, we're not rushing this. We've got time. Okay, bring down. I brought it down. What's my next step?
Divide.
Divide, right. So divide what? That by what I have down here. So 3 by 3, can it?
1.
Once. Okay, now what's my next step?
Multiply.
Multiply. What by what?
1 is 3.
Right, my next one, the one that I've just written there, by 3, and it comes down and I write it underneath my units column. Make sure you write them underneath each other where they belong. Okay, if I write it here, I'm going to end up with 33 as an answer, and that's wrong. So make it underneath the units. What's my next step?
Minus
Subtract.
0.
0.
Then you
Next step?
bring down.
Bring down this 2. What's my next step?
Divide.
Divide. Can I divide 3 into 2?
No.
No. Alright.
So
So what do... No. What's my next step? So if it doesn't, it is
0.
0. Right? It can't. So it's 0. Then what's my next step? Multiply 0 by 3.
Equals 0.
Equals 0. So I write it down here under my units again.
Then you minus.
Minus gives me 2. What's my next step?
Bring down.
Bring down. Is there anything to bring down?
No.
No. What's my last step? Remainder.
Remainder 2.
So it is remainder 2. Nice. I'm liking this. Everyone is on it. Alright. Let's do another one. 4. Can 4 go into 6?
Yes.
How many times?
Once.
Once. Alright, let's write 1 there. What's my next step?
Multiply.
Multiply what by what?
1 times 4.
1 times 4
Is
equals
4.
4. Great. What's my next step?
Minus.
Good.
2.
2. Okay, so I write 2 nice underneath the same numbers there.
Then
Next step.
Bring down the 7.
Bring down
The 7.
the 7. Okay, what's my next step?
Divide.
So go back to the top. Divide. So 4 goes into 27. How many times? Well, 27 divided by 4.
6. 7 times. 6 times.
6. Let's write 6. 6 times 4 equals
24.
24. Okay.
And then
What's my next step?
subtract.
Equals
3.
0.
And then now you bring down the 8.
Now we bring down the 8. Let me quickly take a step back here. I just want to show you that if, for example, we made a mistake there. We said 5 instead of 6, right? If we said 5, we thought 4 goes into 27 5 times. What is 5 times 4?
20.
20, right? What is 27 minus 20? 7. There I see, oh, hang on. It can go in one more time.
Yeah.
So then I know, oh, I made a mistake over there. That is one more time. I can put a 6 instead of a 5. I can cross that out, do it, or erase it and do it again. So you can make a mistake, see your mistake, and correct it. Okay? And the same goes with, what if I thought it goes in 7 times, right? Then I say 7 times 4 equals?
28.
28, thank you, 28. Then I say, oh, hang on. The top one is smaller than the bottom one, so that won't work because then it's too much. So I go back to my top there. I say, no, that's not going to work. Make it a 6. Erase that. And then 6 times 4 equals 24. Do you guys see that making a little mistake, we can identify it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. 24, we said next step is subtract 0. What's my next step?
Bring down the 8.
Bring down the 8.
Then you divide.
Okay.
38 and 4.
Then, what's my next step? Divide. 38 divided by 4 equals? I'm hearing a 9. Is everyone happy with 9? Let's try 9. So, alright. 9. 9. What's my next step?
9 times 4.
Times 4 equals?
36.
36. Right, so it works. What's my next step?
Minus 2. So 2.
2. What's my next step?
0. Bring down. You bring down the 2. And then 22 divided by 4.
22 divided by 4.
5 times.
5. Let's try 5. 5 times
20.
4 equals?
20.
20. So it works. What's my next step? Minus.
2 and then that's 0.
Okay, what's my next step?
Bring down nothing.
Bring down, but there's nothing to bring down, so my last step is remainder 2. Okay.